Welcome to another review video. This time GOODaa sent me one of their portable folding solar panels that is 30 watts. So today we're going to open it up and check it out. And I've also got sitting here on the desk one of GOODaa's power banks that you can use their solar panel to charge up. And so I wanted to bring that here for reference. If you wanted to check out their power bank, I have a review video for it just a few videos ago. You can go back and look at the history and watch that video. Before I open the box, they've got some of the specs listed out here. It's a trifold 3-panel solar panel, and it only weighs 2.4 pounds, so very lightweight. And 30 watts, I mean, that's basically a third of one of those larger 100 watt panels. Got a gel bag, keep everything dry. Got the instructions, and of course, the panel itself. Just open that. Check that out. GOODaa. I think that's how you say it. So it looks like we got some Velcro holding it in. And voila. There's the panel. So we've got the trifold with 3 solar panels, and we also have 4 spots for carabiners or paracord to tie this down to your backpack or hang from a tree or tie to your tent. Those are the intended purposes for this sort of panel. Let's go ahead and open this and see what they've got here. They've got a nice zipper pocket here. They got 2 carabiners. This is a DC to DC cable with 3 adapters for the different sizes. And then inside that pouch is the actual hub where you can charge devices. So you've got that DC port for this cable, and then on the other end you can choose one of these adapters to hook up to your device to charge, or they also have USB-C and USB-A to charge your phone or any USB powered devices. And then they have a little LED indicator that will illuminate when there's enough sun on the panels to start charging a device. So that's pretty cool. Just for reference, let me grab the 10 watt panel so you can compare the size difference to the 30 watt. Right off the bat, you can see this is a little cute one. Just opens up like that with 2 little panels, and then on the back you've got that same hub that's inside the zipper here with a little pouch to carry some extra cables. But size difference, the 30 watt is definitely a lot larger, but it's also 3 times the power output. And you got the same graphics that you got here on the 30 watt. And weight wise, I don't know, this is probably less than a pound or close to a pound, and this is 2.4. But if you have a lot of devices to charge, a few cameras and your phone and other devices, you're going to want to go with the larger unit. Especially, you might not always be able to get that 30 watts of solar if the sun is behind clouds or whatever. Always nice to have that extra power. So with the GOODaa power bank, one of the ways you can recharge it is actually right here with this USB cable that's neatly tucked away into itself. I can pop it out here. You just undo this cable that's attached to the power bank, and then this is a USB-A cord that you can plug right into here. Yeah, just like that. Plug it in here, and then that will start charging the power bank from the 30 watts of solar. So kind of cool. I love that this mini power bank doesn't need any extra cables you just grab and go and it'll be ready for you. We've got those 2 carabiners that can hook on to anything. If this is a product that you're interested, this 30-watt folding solar panel, super portable. I mean, check this out. You just fold it up like so. Very slim, a little long, but that is handy. That is very nice. As always, I have the product links down below in the description for you to go check it out and see more of the specs in detail. And if this is something you're interested in purchasing, head on over there and check it out. A huge shout out and thanks to GOODaa for working with me and sending me this solar panel to review, along with their power bank and 10-watt solar panel as well. So big thanks to GOODaa, and I hope this video has been helpful for you. With that, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.